So what I've got here is the standard mount for the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro. This is the official one made by Insta360, and this is what it looks like right there. It's the same as the one that comes in the box with the camera. It's got the two little buttons on the side with the grip there, the connectors there. It does have a little icon right there so you know which end goes towards the front of the camera. It also came with 3 of these little adhesive mounts, so little pads if you do need to replace those if they wear out. Now I'm going to just put this on my selfie stick here, just like that, and we'll take our Insta360 Ace Pro. Again, make sure that icon lines up with the front of the camera there. It is quite strong, like it's not even clicked in and it's holding, but you do want to make sure it clicks in and you hear that noise, and it's quite sturdy in there. To release it again, just push those buttons, and that's the standard mount for the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro.